Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to get off-sale items in Roblox and what options are still available if an item is no longer sold in the avatar shop. First, it's important to understand that off-sale items are accessories, clothing, or limiteds that Roblox or creators removed from normal purchase. Some off-sale items may return during special events or seasonal sales, while others become permanently unavailable. One of the easiest ways to get certain off-sale items is through trading, but this only works for limited or limited U items. To trade, you need a Roblox Premium membership. Once Premium is active, open the profile of a player who owns the item you want and send a trade offer using your own limited items or Robux value. Always check item values carefully before accepting trades to avoid losing valuable collectibles. Another method is watching for item re-releases during Roblox events, anniversaries, or special promotions. Some creators temporarily bring back older cosmetics for limited periods. You can also follow Roblox catalog update accounts or community groups that track returning items. Be careful of scams or fake websites claiming they can unlock any off-sale item for free, because many of them are unsafe and may steal your account information. Finally, if an item is permanently off sale and non-tradable, there may be no official way to obtain it anymore unless Roblox decides to release it again in the future. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.